Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you a strategy that we use that is so powerful. It's bringing in thousands and thousands of dollars per month, and we're doing it by just using Google Adwords. Our clients are billed monthly, so we're talking residual income, and we're talking monthly reoccurring charges, all right? So before jumping into that, if you guys like the videos that we're doing about making money online, please hit the like and subscribe button. And now that we got that out of the way, let's jump on into my computer. Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to do a quick video on a different way that we are using to make hundreds of dollars every single day using Google. It's super simple. Let's just dive right in and I'll show you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, right? And we're going to type in, how about we do, let's go with auto repair shop in New York City, right? You can do this for any city and any niche. You can do it anywhere in the world as well. So if you're in New York, you're good. If you're in Miami, you're good. If you're in London, you're good. If you're in Australia somewhere, you're good. So, but for this example, we're going to use auto repair shop in New York City. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring up the local results here, right? We're going to click on more places. And what we're looking for here is these green little tabs, right? These ads, right? These are the people that are showing up first. Okay? So who do you think is taking all the phone calls? Right? Meineke and Pep Boys. What we are going to do, right, is we're going to scroll down through this list. We'll go to page number 2. And let's just find one that's not really taking care of that well, not that many reviews. Let's go with, let's find one here. How about Steve's Auto Repair? And we're going to click on Steve's Auto Repair, and now we have all of their information here that we need, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to open up another tab. I already have it open for you guys. Actually, we'll start over. We'll go to google.com, and we're going to type in Google AdWords. And if you haven't created an account already, just go ahead and create an account. I've already created an account, so we are just going to sign in. And here we are. We don't need this up right now. It's showing one of my other campaigns. But here we are. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on campaigns. And we're going to click this blue little button right here. And we're going to click on new campaign, right? Now, once you get to this page, none of these really matter for us except for website traffic. So we're going to go ahead and click website traffic. And none of these really matter besides search because we want to be the first one that shows up on search. Go ahead and click search. And we need to put the name of their website here. So let's find that. And we're just going to copy and paste it right here. And hit continue. And we're going to name the campaign the same name as whatever business that we're using. So we'll say Steve's Auto Repair. And we'll probably just put New York City because you're probably going to do a bunch of different cities with this. We're going to leave this the same, search network and display network. And when we get down here to targeting in audiences, we're going to click United States, okay? And we're going to go with New York, because that's the city that we're targeting. Again, it works in any city that you want to go to. We're going to keep the language the same, which is English. We're going to do a daily budget. Just for this example, we're just going to do $10 daily budget. You might want to do more. And then when you get to bidding, we're going to go to conversions because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to convert customers, okay? We're not just trying to get clicks. We are trying to get conversions. And we're going to go down. And then when you get to ad extensions, it might be beneficial for you to add a phone number to your ad, which would be good for the customers. But for this example, we're just not going to. We're going to click Save and Continue. And ad group name, you can just leave. And actually, what this is actually asking for us to do is put in keywords, right? So it's recommending keywords over here, but I don't really like any of them. Just addresses. Let's just do auto repair shops. Actually, let's go over here. Auto repair. Let's just see if something pops up for us. Yep. So we can do auto repair, auto shop near me, auto mechanic near me, auto repair near me. These are all ones that have high monthly searches here. So then you can add in some of your own, like New York City auto repair. Just get as creative as you can with that, because the more keyword ideas that you give it, the more that you're going to show up in the ads. We're going to click Save and Continue. And this is where we're going to generate the ad. Okay, we are going to put the headline. Let's put the name of the business. What was it again? It was Steve's Auto Repair. You don't have to go exactly by this. I'm just hurrying through it just to show you guys how to do it. You do want to get creative with this. Headline 2, we're going to put best place in New York City for auto repair. Just something simple like that. Actually, we went over. Let's just go best place for auto repair. We had too many words there. Then it looks like everything's good. We do have to add a description. Let's put call today for auto repair. Just get creative as you can. This isn't the best ad copy that I've made, but you get the point. Click Save and Continue. Hit the Save button. Oh, one policy violation. Let's see what happened here. Oh, you can't have punctuation and symbols. Okay, let's take out the. Let's take that out. See if that works. One policy violation again. Oh, we have a explanation point. Can't do it. Alright, so no punctuation and symbols. Just make sure you remove those, any repetitive punctuation and symbols, because it's not going to let you put it in there. Let's save it now. Let's save and continue, see if this works. Good. Alright, so now it says congratulations, your campaign is ready. Okay, so now what you're going to do is once you hit continue the campaign is going to go live. Okay, now I'm not going to click continue the campaign because this is just an example, but what you're going to do is you're going to start generating these businesses phone calls, right? And then you're going to want to reach out to them. We got their phone number here. You're going to want to email them as well, and you're going to want to use CallRail as a tracking phone number. Just start a free trial, sign in, whatever, if you already have one, and you're going to want to track this so that you can see how many phone calls that you're producing for these guys. And there's nothing to this. You can get $1,000 to $10,000 for doing this, especially if you're running big campaigns. I mean, I only put in $10 a day, but you guys are going to want to put in more than that. And call these people, let them know what you're doing, show them that you're putting them at the top of the list, and they should be able to, you should be able to get some clients like this. This is nothing to, you know, generate another 10 grand a month if you do this right. I hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions, just reach out to me, okay?